Monster salad!
Let's make a salad, a monster of a salad. One that will fuel your engine on its own even. Not a side dish, but a main dish. Preparation time, 10 minutes. Take whatever fresh veggies you have at home. Lettuce is always a great base, so I recommend you always keep some at home. I'm using the following fresh produce in this video to build the monster. Zucchini, cucumber, yellow pepper, tomatoes. Then I chop up a whole block of tofu and mix that all together. I am adding some sun-dried tomatoes, salt, capers, pickled apple pepper, pickled cabbage, and pickled cucumbers as well. I am making a nice little sauce by adding some mustard and ketchup. Thickening it with some protein-rich chia seeds and nutritional yeast, amplifying its crunchiness with some peanuts and pumpkin seeds. These are really high in protein and healthy fats as well. And there you have it, a ton of fiber, protein, great carbs and fats to fuel you on your daily journey to awesomeness. Enjoy, my friends.